Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about partnering, what it looks like to partner with me, what that entails. If you don't know who I am, if you're new to the channel, my name's Nick Fullmer. I've been doing surplus funds and overage recovery since 2015 and have recovered millions of dollars and taught hundreds of people how to get started in this business. So I want to answer this question like, how can you partner with me? What does that look like? So let's dive right in. How does it work? First off, guys, the way I partner with people is we just do a 50-50 split of the net profit, okay? Now, what do you do? What do I do? My partners, they'll find the lead and just have a conversation with the client, just getting their email and asking if they're open to receiving more information from us. You don't have to close the deal. You don't have to get them under contract. That's the part that I handle. Okay, so we handle the paperwork, closing the deal, getting everything signed, finding the attorney, sending everything off to the attorney, filing the claim with the court or the county, wherever the money is held. If we have to go through probate, we'll handle that as well. So we handle the back end of things. You just find the person. Okay. Now, right now, as of the making of this video, so in 2025, I currently only partner with students of my program. Okay. So if you do want to partner with me, you do have to be a member of my program. You can learn more about that using the link below. Okay. Or just go to overagesyndicate.com. Now, why do I do that? Here's the thing, guys. I've partnered with people that haven't gone through my program, and unfortunately, what ends up happening is I spend more time correcting mistakes that people have learned in other programs and answering questions that are answered and thoroughly reviewed in my program. And a lot of times the deals that are brought to me from people that have gone through other programs aren't actually deals. Sometimes there's no money there. They haven't done the research to make sure that no one else is entitled to the funds. They have found the wrong person. So to avoid that, I've created my program so that A, people can avoid all those problems that I just listed, and B, we don't waste each other's time, right? We want it to be a mutually beneficial relationship. That's what a partnership should be, okay? And bottom line is that's also one of the big reasons that makes my program different from a lot of programs out there. A lot of folks will teach you the business and then leave you on your own, letting you to figure it out and, succeed on your own or fail on your own, right? Whereas by me including a partnership option in my program, I have a vested interest that you succeed. Okay. Now, do you have to partner with me? Absolutely not. The program teaches you the entire process from A to Z so that you can do deals on your own. Okay. And sometimes, guys, partnering may not be in your best interest, right? Partnering works well for folks who maybe are very busy. They've got a full-time job but they want to profit from surplus funds. They want to generate a side income, but maybe they don't have the time to do all the steps themselves. Okay. Or maybe they just don't want to deal with the boring piece of the business, which is the paperwork, the filing of the claims, the dealing with the attorneys. Okay. Um, Sometimes people just want to hand that off to someone and not have to deal with it, especially folks who are busy. Okay. Now, if you're not busy and you want to keep 100% of the profits, then you wouldn't want to partner. You would want to do 100% of the work yourself and keep 100% of the profits. But if you don't want to do 100% of the work, then partnering might be a good fit for you. Okay. So most of my students, I would say the vast majority of my students, they find that the program is laid out in a way that they can run with it on their own and be successful on their own. And then there are those few folks who decide, yeah, I want to partner with Nick, or I want to get my feet wet, do a couple deals, and then go out on my own. And that's perfectly fine, guys. I have no issue with that. Okay. And so that's one of the things that makes the program different from other programs is you're not alone. You have that partnership option if you need it or if you want it. And it's a great opportunity also to learn the business, right? To be able to learn alongside someone who's done it for many, many years. Okay. Versus it's an add-on to, of course, all of the information that's in there is wonderful. The modules, the videos showing you what to do, not just telling you what to do, but showing you how to do it. That's all great, but also being able to see someone and be involved in the process. Okay. Have that hands-on. That's very valuable. And a lot of programs don't offer that. Okay. Now, is there a fee? Is there an extra cost to partnering? And the answer is no. Partnering is included in the program at no additional cost. Okay. So if you're a member of the program, you can partner with me at any time and as much or as little as you like. You're not locked into any contract for any long term or specific amount of time or specific amount of deals. It's you partner when you want to partner. And when you don't want to partner, you don't. Okay. You're not handcuffed or anything like that. Okay. That's not how I do business. So hopefully that answers that question as far as partnering goes. And of course, we just split the profits 50-50. Okay. Which I think is pretty good. I'm trying to think if there's anything else to let you know about partnering. I mean, that's pretty straight. That's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, guys. Um, Yeah, I mean, if you have other questions about partnering, let me know. One thing I would recommend, maybe you're wondering, well, can I see someone who's had experience with partnering with you? Yes, absolutely. Let me show you where you would go. So what you'll want to do, go to YouTube, type in my YouTube channel, it's Overage Syndicate, or just type in my name, Nick Fullmer. Don't forget two L's. Now, and when you get to the channel, go to playlists, okay? And then go to right here, there's a playlist called Overage Syndicate Course Reviews and Testimonials. Okay. Now, not all of these folks have partnered with me, but many of them have. Okay. Right now, there's over 60 videos on here of people who have gone through the program. Some of them have partnered with me. And I recommend that you watch some of those videos or all of those videos, however many videos you want to watch, and see what other people's experience has been partnering with me and going through my program and just do your research, right? Do your research, do your due diligence before you make a decision. Okay. So there's there's many here. I highly recommend watching any of the ones with Elmer right here. Okay. He has completed hundreds of deals partnering with me. Okay. We've done a lot of business together. He's made well over six figures and over multiple years. Okay. Um, so he's got a few videos on here. And so I'd highly recommend watching any of his videos because if anyone, he's probably the person that's done the most deals with me as far as partnering goes. So he would have a very good knowledge and insight on how partnering with me works and how it is. Okay. So would recommend watching his videos as well as the other ones as well. Okay. Um, so that's it, guys. That's where you can go to learn more about it, and just the program in general. So if you want to join the program, just use the link below. Go to overagesyndicate.com to learn more. And yeah, that pretty much covers it. I hope that helps. Hope that answers the question as far as like partnership goes. All right, guys, have a good one.